This is the Jackery Solar Generator HomePower 3000. You can count on Jackery to power your home in a power outage. You know, Jackery can power all this and so much more. So let me demonstrate exactly how easy it is to use the Jackery, the plug-and-play technology. I have it plugged in right now, and you can see it has 100% power, so it's fully charged. And I have a coffee maker, a razor, a fan, and a smartphone all plugged into the 4 AC outlets. All I'm going to do is hit the AC button, and now I'm delivering power to everything. You can see the razor is charging, the coffee machine is on, the smartphone is being charged, and the fan is now on. So to keep cool in a storm, there's the fan. By the way, the sound that you hear is the fan. It is not the Jackery. Listen to how quiet it is. I'm going to shut the fan off. Absolutely nothing. I'm going to put my microphone right next to the Jackery. Completely quiet, and it's powering all these devices. Now I'm going to unplug the Jackery, and you will see that it's going to continue to power everything. Here goes the plug for the power. It's out. Coffee machine on. Razor is charging. Fan is on. And smartphone is being charged. You can see now it is outputting 992 watts. That's how easy it is to use the Jackery. So let's look closely now at the front panel. Again, this is the Jackery AC 3600 watts pure sine wave power. You can run your refrigerator or a washer dryer here. There's 4 AC outlets, button for AC power, on and off, button for DC power, plug in a cigarette lighter here for 12 volts, 2 USB-Cs, 2 USB-As. The top is nice and completely flat, so if you wanted to put something on top of it, you could. And there's 2 really great handles on the side for easy carrying. Ventilation. And on this side, your plug goes in here for AC power. You have DC inputs for the solar charger, and you have AC output resets. And again, great ventilation. The Jackery Solar Generator HomePower 3000 is an essential for your home as a backup power solution. It has an advanced UPS system offering plug-and-play energy during emergency situations. We have a lot of power outages and tornadoes lately, so that's why I got mine. I wanted to power my essentials and have easy backup power without getting a noisy and dangerous generator. 3600 watts and 7200 surge output to support uninterrupted, smooth, stable power from multiple core devices. The Jackery is amazingly convenient for the great outdoors too. Confidently providing you powerful green energy anytime, anywhere for all your electronic items that need power or need to be charged. You can inflate items like my 15-foot kayak. Inflate tires on a car or a boat trailer. Charge my smartphone. Your laptop. And run a bait bucket. One of the features that I like the most is the peace of mind that the Jackery will maintain 95% of its charge after 365 days. So when I store it between uses, it's always ready. It has zero drain technology. It can be fully charged with the power cord in just 1.7 hours. Or you can charge it using the solar panel. Backup for every home. Never worry about food spoiling and medicine going bad or losing your lights or being able to keep cool in the peak storm times of the year. You know, hurricanes, tornado season, because the Jackery can power your essentials with easy backup. So get yours today and get that peace of mind you're looking for. The Jackery Solar Generator HomePower 3000. You can find it at the Amazon store.